The final personality theory is the Interactionist Theory, which is a combination of the trait theory and observational learning, which suggests that a subject's personality and traits are formed through a combination of inherited factors from their parents and family and observational analysis from their environment and experiences. A subject is exposed to throughout their life, with both coming together to form a person's personality. The interactional theory goes on to say that how a subject reacts to situation is governed by three layers: physiological core, typical responses, and role-related behaviour. A person's psychological core refers to a person's individual traits and attributes and belief, which distinguish them from one another, making them who they are. A person's psychological core is comprised of stable attributes laying the foundation of a person's personality, which form a subject's personal personality, controlling how people feel and think, guiding them to act in a certain way which aligns with their individual set of traits. Typical responses is similar to the psychological core, as it refers to how a subject will typically react, showing a person's usual behaviour dependent upon their personal specific set of attributes and characteristics, which govern how an individual will typically react to events. As everyone has different traits and personalities, everyone's typical responses are varying. Finally, the final layer is role-related behaviour, which refers to how a subject can adapt how they respond to and act to better suit a role or job, even if it disregards the typical responses. For example, within a football team, if the captain is not present, the role must be passed on. If the person the role is passed on to is not a leader, according to the interactional theory, the person should be able to adapt and change their responses to better suit the role, becoming more dominant and controlling to accommodate to the requirements of the role, overriding their typical responses, changing how they would act in response to different environments and situations, which call for change due to behaviour being unchangeable dependent on the situation and environment. It makes behaviour very unpredictable, as people can never be certain how others may react, as they may change in response to differing situations or events, which may lead people to adapt how they react due to role-related behaviour, making personalities and behaviour extremely unpredictable according to the interactional theory.